Sales becomes so easy when you understand how to dial in your energy, to have more energy, to not get as burned out, not get as drained, so you can have better conversations, you can be more in that flow state, and you can give your prospects and your clients an experience, right? Sales is changing. In this video right now, I'm gonna share with you, if you watch the full video, you're gonna learn how you can be different in sales. You can have more success, make more money, have better cold calls, and close more deals, because not many sales coaches discuss our energy levels and our energy behind what we say. Because on cold calls or sales calls, the truth is that people always feel and sense your energy and judge your energy before they hear your words. And I've seen it in cold calling for many times in my career in sales, where you can mess up the words, you can stutter, you can say a bunch of baloney, but if behind the words you're confident and you're smiling and you're having fun, right? People can sense that energy, and it makes the script and the words not even matter as much. It's more about the energy. So let me share with you 3 tips right here, 3 things you can do to increase your energy, to have more confidence, and to not get as drained or burned out to make more money in sales. Number 1 is, we are so conditioned by TV, commercials, society, our friends, our family, colleges, universities, people around us, our coworkers, that we've taken on these habits that are not so great for us. If you can cut out alcohol, that is a tremendous accomplishment, because we're so bombarded with commercials and advertisements about drinking alcohol. It's so normalized. But dude, I went to a big business school here in America, and for 4 years straight, plus high school, I drank all the time. And it was normal. It helped me to fit in, right? I was doing just the college lifestyle. But dude, after college, I had this thing called leaky gut, and my stomach was just really suffering. And there's this chemical called serotonin. It's made mostly in our gut. When you drink alcohol repeatedly, like I did for many years, it lowers the production of serotonin in your body. And serotonin makes you feel good, makes you confident, makes you energized. I'm telling you right now, dude, on this video, like who I am now, I guarantee you I have 3, 5, maybe even 10 times the levels of serotonin that I had when I was in college. Because in college, I was so anxious, I was so shy, introverted, awkward with girls, awkward with dating people, right? With trying to find find a partner and build something with somebody. Like I have a wife now and a son now, and just it's so important to understand serotonin and how it works in our body. You cut out alcohol, you drop off alcohol, you drink instead, find some raw milk, find some coconut water, some filtered water, right? Fruit juices, fresh squeezed juices. These are liquids that are going to fuel you. You're going to feel so good, and your cells in your body are going to be saying, please give me more. And you're probably saying, well, how's this matter with sales? Well, it's going to make your energy a lot better. And people can just tell when you have nice energy, like it helps in sales. You can like I said before, you can mess with the lines, you can stutter, but if you have this nice energy behind it, people will give you a chance. They'll hear you out, and they'll trust you more than someone who is anxious, who they can tell is just being very forceful, because their bodies are sick. A lot of us, our bodies are sick, right? Number 2, healing the gut aside from alcohol with your diet. When I was in school, I had lots of GMO foods. I had a lot of Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, fast food, pizza all the time. 2 a.m, get pizza when we're drunk. We're piss drunk, getting pizza, 3 a.m. It's normal. It's normal in college. It's normal with certain friend circles and society. But if you want to have more success in sales and make more money and attract a woman to start a family, to have a family with, to have kids with, have a big, strong family unit, like that's rare, dude. It's so rare in today's world to have a strong family, to make a lot of money and have success and be healthy for your kids and your wife and everybody. Like that's not common these days. But by cutting out alcohol, by improving your gut health, These are like the first 2 steps I did 8 years ago to help my own health, my own energy levels. And this stuff translates to all aspects of life. Dating, your family, within your family, your business, your career, your hobbies, within yourself, your own mental health. Everything gets better when you prioritize your lifestyle, your diet, and your gut health. And it really does help in sales a lot. The last part is to ground our energy, because a lot of us, I've been talking to guys a lot the last few months, doing these quick little interviews with a lot of guys in sales, and I'm seeing different types of men out there, but a lot of us, one of the commonalities I'm seeing is that we're always on the go as men. We're always working, trying to get better, trying to improve, and sometimes we can actually achieve more in sales or with cold calling or in business. We can actually achieve more by slowing down. I'm a huge believer in this. Have a daily practice. Just 10 minutes in the morning. 10 minutes of slowing down before you hop on the phones, before you begin your day, you go to the office, you open up your laptop or whatever. Just take 10 minutes in the morning. Go for a walk outside. Or sit in your bedroom, close your eyes, and observe your thoughts. Just 10 minutes in the morning. But do it daily. Okay, do it for at least 3 weeks, because the first week or two of me doing this in 2018, I began to try to meditate or have like a mindfulness practice. And dude, the first 2 weeks, I almost stopped doing it because it felt weird. I was like, my thoughts are crazy in my head, and is this normal? Am I doing it right? But after the third week, after about the second and a half week to third week, I really began to see myself and my energy transform. I began to be more confident in my own skin. I began to have my mind and these anxious thoughts kind of began to drift away. I began to see patterns in my mind too, certain patterns of thought loops and beliefs I had from my past, from my childhood, from my parents, my family. All this stuff I began to become more aware of. And it helped me in sales because I could be so much more focused with people on a sales call. Like I could be really fully with them. My mind can be more quiet. And dude, I'm telling you, like people can tell in sales when you're present with them and you're fully with them in conversation, whether it's a Zoom call, in person, or a cold call, whatever it is. I can't fully explain how, but I just know because I've seen it from my own life. People will treat you differently. They'll trust you faster. They will give you a chance. They'll give you their time to meet with you if you have this presence and this energy. And there's a shift happening on the planet right now. Many of us men are waking up to all the bullshit out there, right? The media, Hollywood, society, governments, it's all falling apart. It's time for us to take our power back as men in sales and in business. And it all starts with our health, because our health and our energy is the foundation for everything else. I can teach you how to open up a cold call or open up a meeting and lower the resistance and go over all these fancy talk tracks and handling objections. All this stuff in sales is important, but if you don't have your energy on point, all those scripts, all those NLP tactics, all these things, it's not going to be as effective because you're missing the root foundation of yourself as a man, which is often, like I said, our gut health, our mindfulness practice, and just from there, like you can become a rock star in sales, but it all starts with your foundation as a man. All right. Hey, I do have a free school group down below for men in sales and business. Check it out. It's called the Awakened Leader. We'll be doing some coaching calls on that pretty soon, just to help all of us come together, create a community, and also to get better in sales and business, to get sharper as men, so we can have more money coming in sales for our commissions, but also we can have strong families, strong whether it's kids or having a wife, and we can really become just well-rounded men in sales and in life. All right, thanks for watching this video. I will see you very soon. Take care and much love. Thanks.